guys, today my name is Jayla and
my name is Jeremiah,
my brother. So today we're going to be showing you guys if we need Putty or the real slime, which one is better. So first we're going to take out the Putty slime. Just glue. It's jiggly. It can stretch a little bit, but it breaks.
Yep.
The base looks like snot.
You see, guys, because I choose to green.
Okay, so let's see which one can stretch better than that. So let's go stretch. Stretch. No, like this.
Yes.
Let's see which one can stretch. Let's see. Like this. Like this. Do this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, do that. Now this one does not stretch at all. Now we're gonna be saying, you hear you guys the farts? Yeah. I forgot to say it was fart slime. Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna give us each two scoops of slime.
Okay, guys.
See, this one stretches better.
And the pudding does
not stretch. That's not.
Because it's pudding. Like chocolate pudding. Okay, it's mine.
Wait, you gotta roll into a ball and see which one's bigger. Okay, bigger.
Yay!
Wait, bigger.
Hey! You saw that?
Okay. This one farts too.
Yep.
So this one pokes and it stays poked down. And this one can stretch. Let's see which one stretches better and does not break. Dang it, he won the first round. So let's do the second round. Let's see which one breaks again and not breaks. So none of us did break. None of us did break. So now we're going to see who's better slime. So I'm going first. And yeah, guys, comment down below whose slime was. Let's see whose slime was better again. Okay, so we swirl it around. Okay, guys, just comment down below in the descriptions whose slime swirls better. Now you make your slime swirl.
Hi, guys.
Because I'm done making my slime swirl. Okay, now comment down below. It comment down below. This one is better than mine. Because mine looks like this, like a rose. His looks like that. Okay, so let's go back to, now we got the slime swirl.
Yeah.
So, let's put it back in the bag. Yeah, get your stuff.
I got back with the pudding.
Yeah, we back with the pudding. And now we just poke it and stuff like we did the other one. This one stretches a little bit.
Yeah.
Just a little.
Because you gotta set it down.
Comment down below if you think it's pink clear or just straight up green. Pink. And then comment down below if his is straight green or comment down below if his is straight green or just green. So yeah, so I like, comment down below which one you like, because I think I like both of them, because jiggly slime is just jiggly, and then if you see, look, right, when you take a piece off and then put it back in and then put it back in,
it's jiggly.
It don't stick. And every time you poke it into place, it still don't stick. See, poke it into place, it didn't stick. So, I think I like both of them.
Me too.
And guys, we're gonna be we're gonna be showing off our cars and stuff in our next video. So, well, if you don't want us to make that video, then you have to. So just comment down below if you want us to make another video, but just tell us which video you want us to make. Okay?
Okay.
So bye guys.
Bye.
See you in our next video.
Bye.